Hello everyone, my name is Nina and welcome to my Bonbonina channel. If you watched my videos, I mentioned before that one of my favorite desserts is truffles, chocolate truffles. So today I have one recipe on my channel already, some white chocolate truffles, but today I am gonna make dark chocolate truffles. And not just dark chocolate truffles, but also with spices. Very easy and very tasty. Myself, I am not big fan of spicy food. I don't usually add extra spice to my food. But when it comes to chocolate, yes, bring it on. So here I already melted my dark chocolate, 70%, and here is very hot milk. So this is chili. I keep it in a nice tin from David's Tea. So chili, quarter of teaspoon, also 1/8 of teaspoon of cayenne pepper. If you like it spicier, you can add 1/4. Not really about spice, because chocolate is very powerful. Its flavor is very powerful. So it's about flavor. We're flavoring right now chocolate. And 1/4 of teaspoon of cinnamon. And mixing it all very well together in the milk or cream. Now slowly I'm making a ganache. I'm adding cream, spiced cream to our chocolate. And all the spices have to go into the ganache. And now, as usual, making a ganache. First, the chocolate is separating, but slowly it's coming together to the nice shine, the nice and glossy ganache. Look at that. That is beautiful. It smells so good and it's gonna taste amazing. And now I'm gonna move my ganache here. It has like flat surface, so it's gonna cool down faster, easier to make truffles. So my ganache is ready. I covered with the plastic wrap so it touches the ganache, because we don't need any condensation there. And now it goes to fridge for a few hours. I'm gonna leave it overnight, and tomorrow I'm gonna make truffles, and I'm gonna show you how to decorate them, how to finish them. Alright, so I'll see you tomorrow. My ganache spent night in the fridge. Actually, it's too long. I had to take them out earlier, so ganache is softer now. So 2-3 hours is enough for stabilization for this ganache. And now, easy process. I am gonna use my little scoop and I'm gonna make truffles. So I'm scooping my ganache and I roll them in my hands. I'm done making truffles. You can dip them in chocolate. I'm not going to dip them in chocolate right now. So I have here freeze-dried strawberry powder and pistachio powder. I made them myself in my blender. So I'm gonna roll my truffles in these powders. one neat trick I saw professionals do. So I've got here cacao powder, and I'm adding a little bit of luster dust, bronze color, mixing it together. And now I'm adding there my truffle, and we'll see what happens. Look at that. You can notice how shiny my truffle is now. Sparkly and sparkly. And I'm gonna continue with my truffles, making them sparkle. Beautiful. Right, my truffles are ready. Look how beautiful they are. They're shiny. So as you could see, it didn't take any time at all. Just a little bit of time you need to cool your ganache, and that's it. And it's easy and it's tasty. And now I'm gonna try one of these truffles, and I can't wait. Oh my god, this is beautiful. You get this dark chocolate sweetness and bitterness, then truffle melts in your mouth, and aftertaste is these spices that we added. It's amazingly delicious, and honestly, once you start eating them, you can't stop. They're addictive. So make them, enjoy them. Please subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like that. Like this video, leave a comment, visit my Facebook page and Instagram, and I'll see you in the next video.